Imagine a World Cup dashboard that lives on your desk. Not just an app, but a dedicated IoT hub that tracks live scores, flashes red when a goal is scored, and even hosts its own web portal. Today, we are building the Tactical Football Hub. Powered by Wimo's D1 Mini, it bypasses standard apps to pull live data directly from hidden ESPN APIs. It is fast, it is tactical, and it is the ultimate setup for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. To build this, we need precision hardware. At the heart is the Wimo's D1 Mini MCU for high-speed processing. For the visuals, we are using a high-contrast ESP32-based TFT display. To handle the alerts, a simple active buzzer and LED connected to GPIO D1. Everything is powered by the standard SPI protocol to keep the frame rate buttery smooth. Wiring an SPI display to the Wimo's D1 Mini is straightforward but requires accuracy. We connect DC, reset, SDA, and SCL to the dedicated hardware pins. The buzzer goes to D1 pin. This setup ensures that our data fetching doesn't interfere with our screen updates. Follow this diagram carefully to avoid any memory bottlenecks during the live stream. Time to bring the hardware together. We are seating the Wimo's D1 Mini and wiring the TFT display. Notice the compact footprint. Because we are using hardware acceleration, every millisecond counts. Once the buzzer and LED are in place, our physical feedback system is ready. The build is solid, but the real magic happens inside the code. To give this a tactical, finished look, I designed a custom enclosure out of white cardboard. It's a simple, lightweight housing that makes the hub look like a professional piece of desktop kit instead of just a prototype. The code is where we solve a massive problem: memory. The ESPN API sends a huge 40 kilobyte payload, which would normally crash the Wimo's D1 Mini. We use Arduino JSON with a static filter to discard the junk and only keep the scores. For the web portal, we are hosting a Glassmorphism UI directly on the chip using a sync web server. We even stored 52 country flags as byte arrays in the flash memory to keep it zero dependency. Let's see it in action. As soon as I power it up, it syncs with NTP time and pulls the World Cup schedule. Watch the web portal. It updates every 5 seconds without refreshing the page. And when a goal is scored, the screen flashes red and the hardware trigger goes high. It's the perfect companion for a live match, giving you data faster than most streaming apps. This tactical hub is a game changer for sports fans and developers. All the code and the wiring diagram are available in the link below. If you want to see more IoT projects, hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which team you are rooting for. Till then, I am DHK Dude, signing off.